Okay, today I'm going to be giving you a review for the LG Optimus 1. Now, I picked this up from Dick Smith's on Virgin Mobile for $99. I've already opened it and I've been using it for a week, so it's got a few bits missing out of the packaging. When you first open it up, the first thing you see is the phone. We'll get back to that later. Opening up this panel here, you will find your headphones, which are very crap. Your charger and USB cable. It's one of those ones that are together. And lastly, your manual for the phone. Getting back to the phone, as I believe a 3.2-inch touchscreen, 4 buttons on the front of it. On the back, it's kind of a rubbery case with a 3.2 megapixel camera, no flash. Bottom of the device, we have the microphone and the charger port. At the top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack and the power button. On the side, we have a volume rocker. And that's all.